Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, today we will quickly learn about the first means obligatory acts and sunnah acts of wuzu. Remember, wuzu is the key to Salah and Salah is the key to Jannah. How many farz of wuzu means obligatory acts, mandatory acts in wuzu? So there are four compulsory and mandatory acts of wuzu. If any one of them is missed, the wuzu is not valid. So with that wuzu, you can't offer salah, you can't touch the mushaf, etc. Number one, washing the face from the hairline to the chin and from ear to ear. Number two, washing the arms including the elbows. Number three, doing masah means wiping 1/4 of head with wet hands. Number 4. Washing the feet including the ankles. And what are the sunnah acts of wuzu? And these sunnah acts complete your wuzu and bring extra reward. Number 1. Making intention in the heart before starting. Number 2. Saying Bismillah. Number 3. Washing the hands up to the wrist 3 times. Number 4. Rinsing the mouth 3 times. Number 5. Cleaning the nose 3 times. Number 6. Wiping the ears inside and outside. Number 7. Washing each part 3 times except wiping of the head. Number 8. Starting from the right side before the left. Number 9. Following the correct sequence of doing wuzu. Number 10. Doing hilal of fingers as well as beard if it is thick. Means running fingers of one hand through the another hand as well as running fingers through the beard if it is thick. And number 11. Doing masa means wiping whole the head once. So these are 11 sunnah acts of wuzu that increase our reward. So dear brothers and sisters, the first acts are necessary for wuzu to be valid, while the sunnah acts make it perfect and more rewarding. So let's try to perform both means obligatory acts as well as sunnah acts in wuzu so that our worship is complete and beautiful in the eyes of Allah. If you found this short reminder beneficial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Islamic knowledge. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. Thank you so much.